Hey, happy drawing day. To celebrate, I wanted to share with you some of the things I bring with me, really all the drawing things that I bring with me on a trail run. So I'll also show you the paint stuff I bring just in case you're interested in that. First of all is the sketchbook itself, which has most of the tools already on it. So when I see something and I'm running, I just pull that out of a back pocket that I have right here. And on this, I have a 0.5 mechanical pencil that I carry with me here, and a Fude nib pen. This one says Scritchy on it because this one has a really inconsistent nib that I love. And it's not the pen's problem. I think I just got like a defective one or something happened, but I've held on to it for many years. And then a PN Micron pen. Now I used to use Unipen a lot, and those are pretty good for felt tip, but I found that they've just kind of worn down a little bit more quickly than I would like, and the PN seems to hold up a little bit better. And then finally in here, I carry a ruler. This is super handy in the field for nature journaling when I want to measure a flower or a very slow moving bug that I'm not too afraid to get close to. And then just other things that I see in the field. So it's also really good for when I'm checking progress of things. The other thing, my paints, I carry here. So drawing, I'm going to wrap painting into that because I do that right after I draw something. I carry this little kit right here. This is a Tom Ben Ghost Whale pouch. And what I do is I take this and I clip it to my vest. And once it's on my vest, I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can, I just unzip like this partially, and it allows me, because I'm standing in the field usually. There are benches occasionally that I can sit on, but most of the time I'm standing, so I need a place to hold my journal and have my things. And then from here I just have a really tiny Art Toolkit palette, the smallest one that they make, which I always forget the name of. I think it's the Demi palette, sorry Art Toolkit. And I take a little clip and I clip this to my sketchbook. So just this, and I'm kind of slowly using that idea that I had of kind of segmenting all of my pans. I'm kind of slowly spreading that to this too. Watercolor sock, and then in here are two water brushes, the mini water brushes by Pentel. Two different kinds of nibs. Really only need one. If I could only choose one, I've gone back and forth on the large and the medium as being my favorites, but I think the medium is my current favorite because it seems to spout out a lot less water. The big one's a little inconsistent for me. Over time though, they do kind of equalize, which is cool. So that's it. What I do is I carry these things in this vest, as I mentioned. And the goal is just to be able to capture things on the fly. Sometimes I don't get around to being able to lay in paint, but the drawing part is important to me, and it's a part of, I would like to say, every single run just about. So sometimes the sketches aren't great, that's okay. I don't think any of my sketches are actually great. This one's, if you look at it artistically, it's lousy, but it's a great moment where I was observing barn swallows on a run at a nearby canal bridge. This is the field behind me. Not long ago, I've been tracking how the foliage has been changing and drying over time. And then recently, watching some fish spawn and thrash about. That's been pretty cool. And then just before I started recording this, I saw a quail over in this area, and it was gone within a minute. So I was only able to do a quick outline. But luckily, because this is living in here in the back, I was able to pull it out right away. So one more thing is just to show you how quick that process is, remembering that I have my tools on the bench right here. It really is run about, see something you like, reach in, grab it. I've got the book here and I can draw. I encourage you to draw too. Draw as much as you can. It's a really fun habit if you can get into it. Make it a part of your day and your life if it feels right for you. But happy drawing day, and thank you for making it to the end of this video. Take care.